Agricultural Economics 2, Land Tenure and Land Reforms. Introduction. Land is an important resource required in agricultural production. The systems of land ownership and rights to the use of land in Kenya vary significantly. In this topic, we shall look at the different types of land ownership and uses, which is referred to as land tenure systems, and the organized actions aimed at improving land use. Various kinds of rights to the use of land give rise to different land tenure systems. Different land tenure systems offer varying degrees of security. Land reforms involve organized actions designed to improve land use with the aim of improving agricultural production. Land tenure systems. Land tenure is the possession of the legal rights to the ownership and use of land. Various kinds of rights to the use of land give rise to different tenure systems. For individual land tenure system, the concept of sole ownership gives the farmer motivation to work harder in farming, soil conservation, and general land improvement. However, in communal land tenure system, the land belongs to everybody, and hence, no individual has the responsibility of taking care of the land or developing it. Tenure systems are methods by which someone has the rights to the use of land. There are two main forms of tenure systems, namely individual land tenure system and collective land tenure system. Types of individual land tenure system. In individual land tenure system, land is owned by individuals who either operate or leave it to another person. The types of individual land tenure systems include individual owner or the operator, landlordism and tenancy, concession or company. Collective land tenure system. In collective land tenure system, land is collectively owned by a group of people who usually have a common binding factor such as clanism and cooperation. This system is further divided into two types of land tenure systems, namely communal land tenure system and cooperative land tenure system. Communal land tenure system allows possession of land rights by the whole community or a section of the community. It is common among the pastoral communities in Kenya. The individual members of the community have equal rights to the use of land. Everybody uses land in any way they wish but have to observe the rules of occupancy as set by the community. The system allows individuals or group of people to move freely in search of pasture and water. Cooperative land tenure system. In cooperative land tenure system, land is owned by a group of people on cooperative basis. In Kenya, people were encouraged to form societies to buy large farms which were previously owned by the white settlers. Examples of cooperative ranches in Kenya include Lukenya and Komarok ranches in Machakos district. In cooperative land tenure system, a group of farmers pool their resources together to buy large tracts of land, which they work on as a group and share the products at the end of a specified period. Land reforms. Land reform is any organized action designed to improve land ownership and land use. Some of the objectives of land reforms are to increase agricultural production through proper land use, to orient agricultural production to meet market demand, to settle the landless people, to encourage soil conservation and land improvement measures, to put idle land into productive agricultural use. Types of land reforms. The types of land reforms include land consolidation, land adjudication and registration, land fragmentation, and settlement and resettlement. Land consolidation. Land consolidation is a process of bringing together small fragments of land under one holding for better and efficient utilization. Land consolidation involves establishment of ownership, measurement, and recording each fragment. Individual fragments are then consolidated into one holding around the most developed fragment or the biggest parcel where this is practically possible. Land fragmentation. Land fragmentation is where a farmer owns numerous separate parcels of land scattered over a wide area. Causes of land fragmentation are system of shifting cultivation, population pressure, inheritance, and purchase of pieces of land in different places. Land adjudication and registration. Land adjudication and registration is the establishment of ownership, measurement, description, and recording of land, after which a title deed is issued to the landowner. Steps of adjudication and registration: establishment of ownership, measurement of the land, description of the land, and recording of the land. Land settlement and resettlement. Land settlement is occupation of land which was previously uninhabited, while resettlement is the process of transferring people from densely populated area to sparsely populated area.